Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to welcome the commitment of the paper industry to act together towards an ambitious goal for evergreen. This alliance is clearly in step with our thinking and with our objectives for a circular, low-carbon future. A future where sustainability goes hand in hand with innovation and creates exciting business opportunities. That's the future the Commission laid out in the European Green Deal. It's our new growth strategy, and it's central to our plan for recovery. This event shows that there is a need to keep a close eye on the green compass. Even in these times of crisis, the effects of the current downturn on our economy and society are severe, and they will continue. We have to address them immediately, with help where it's needed. But we have also to plan for the future, building resilience for the challenges of tomorrow, building back better. That means structural change to ensure a green and digital transition. In this context, the launch of the 4evergreen Alliance is the news we need to hear. The circular economy can get Europe back on its feet and keep us on track to a more sustainable future. In March this year, the Commission adopted a new Circular Economy Action Plan. It aims at speeding the green transition up and making sustainable products the norm. Packaging is an important element of this new plan. It commits us to two things. Firstly, ensuring that less packaging waste is generated overall. And secondly, that all packaging is reusable or recyclable in an economically viable way by 2030. For paper and cardboard packaging, recyclability isn't far away. Your recycling rates are already very high, and you have pooled your efforts because you want to do even better. Doing better will help the industry comply with the new requirements of European legislation. For collection, sorting, and recycling, there are still many differences amongst the member states. We will work with them and with all stakeholders to implement what is some of the most ambitious waste legislation in the world. With adequate investment and exchanges of information technology and best practice, performance in recycling can improve. Now we are looking at new frontier in packaging waste management, waste prevention. It's time to decouple the increase of packaging waste from the growth of the economy. In 2017, we reached the highest level since measurements started, with more than 170 kilograms of packaging per person per year. Paper, which is 40% of all packaging, was unfortunately no exception. We want to reverse the trend of ever-growing amounts of packaging waste. I need you to go to the same way on this journey to less waste, more value. I am confident that you have plenty solutions in store, and that alliances like yours will help new ideas flourish. You surely know there are changes ahead. Plans to revise the directive on packaging and packaging waste. The idea is to create the regulatory conditions the sector needs to achieve 4 goals. First, improve packaging design to promote reuse and recycling. Secondly, increase recycled content in packaging. Third, tackle excessive packaging. And ultimately, reduce packaging waste. The public consultation is underway, and you will have your say. We will also be supporting the bio-based sector through implementation of the bioeconomy action plan. Your efforts on sustainable sourcing are welcome. I see them also in the context of our new biodiversity strategy. Protecting our forests is essential to bring nature back into our lives. And not only. More resilient forests support a more resilient economy. A sustainable and circular European bioeconomy will help modernize our industrial base with new value chains. And greener, more cost-effective processes will lower our carbon footprint, creating the future we need. Thank you again for your efforts so far. I wish you all the best for this alliance.